Hey guys, this is Chris Gately, your friend in real estate business with Gately Properties, and I'm here at Home Depot, and I wanted to talk about if you're selling your house, one of the best things you can do is actually replacing the lighting in your house. But here's a pro tip. Opt for the LED bulbs. See how much these? $5.18 per watt versus 60 cents per watt. Now, why is that important? Well, buyers right now are being stretched on how much they are spending on a house. So if you can make the utility bills less, or at least make it appear that the utility bills would be less, then that's a plus in the value of your home. So do yourself a favor. If you're going to be replacing bulbs, burnt out bulbs, actually go around the house, maybe replace all the light bulbs with LED bulbs, and it's a great marketing tool. So this is Chris Gately, your friend in real estate business. Call 661-220-5506. That's 661-220-5506 and get going with Gately. Take care. Bye-bye.